Is Peplink 5G a Starlink alternative? In today's digital world, staying connected is more important than ever. Whether you're working remotely, learning online, or streaming content, reliable internet is essential. While Starlink has made waves with its satellite service, Peplink's 5G solutions are emerging as a powerful alternative. The Peplink Max BR1 Pro 5G offers lightning-fast speeds, supports unlimited data SIM cards, and is designed for flexibility and mobility. No need for satellite dishes, just insert a SIM and you're connected. It's ideal for travelers, RV users, and anyone who needs portable, high-speed internet. But how does it compare to Starlink? Starlink offers global satellite coverage, making it perfect for remote areas. However, it requires fixed equipment and comes with higher upfront costs. Peplink, on the other hand, thrives in areas with strong 5G coverage and offers quick setup, portability, and secure connections. Use Peplink 5G for remote work, online classes, road trips, or as a backup internet solution. It's simple, secure, and scalable. If you're in a region with reliable 5G, Peplink might be the internet solution you've been looking for. Is Peplink 5G right for you? If you value mobility, fast setup, and unlimited data, the answer might be yes. Explore your connectivity options today and find the solution that fits your lifestyle best.